Has been wet and hot, two things my dog does not like. He won't go out when it's raining, and he won't go out when it's hot.
Sounds
I'm
like
not
me.
saying he's not high maintenance, but you know, it is what it is. All right, what am I calling him?
No, me.
Oh, not you. Not I said my dog is high maintenance. I did not say Felicia's high maintenance. I did not. Here's a look at our Skycam network, and we've got a good look at much cameras here. We've got a little bit of rainfall here and there. Most of the rainfall has become light to moderate now, with just a couple spots where we're seeing some heavy rainfall come down. We got a few rumbles of thunder in the forecast for tomorrow as well. Rain chances will go down and then up and then down, and a lot of that is because of this. Saharan dust on the way. We'll get to it in a moment. Here's a look at live radar. Got showers and thunderstorms moving from west to east today. Those upper level winds way up above the surface, pushing everything over toward the coast, and even drove some strong to severe storms through our area earlier this afternoon. Here's some of the heaviest rain in reds and yellows out around 20 Mile Bend, about to move into Loxahatchee and Wellington. A couple of thunderstorms out to the west here, but you can see they're dying down, especially when you watch the lightning strikes and see how the lightning strikes keep going up and down and then eventually down all the way. We've got some showers around Hobe Sound, Stewart just to the north there, Jensen Beach with some light rain, Fort Pierce getting some light to moderate rainfall. Same goes for Fort Drum and all the way up to Sebastian and Vero Beach. Here's what's going to happen. Over the next 3 to 4 days, we still have enough moisture around for about a 40 to 50% chance for rain. But as we get to Friday night, look at this. This is a huge swath of Saharan dust working its way across the Atlantic over into the Caribbean and then into the Florida Straits by the time we get to Friday night, and then up into South Florida as we get into the weekend. And this does a couple of things. One, it lowers the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. It sucks up that moisture and makes things a little bit drier. We're not going to be rain-free, but lower chances for rain. The other thing it does is because the air is drier, it drives those temperatures up. Dry air heats up much faster than moist air, and so we're going to see those temperatures climb fast over the weekend. Right now, we've got 70s and low 80s. Thanks to all the rainfall that's been around, it's still pretty muggy outside, but temperatures are cooler. Tropical depression, Don, wandering around it here. Well, it'll find its way eventually. Not impacting anybody, but it could become Tropical Storm Don here over the next few days as it stays out in the Atlantic. Beach and boating forecast, 1 to 2 foot seas tomorrow. Moderate risk for rip currents, high tide about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Partly cloudy tonight and muggy. Temperatures mid-70s. Heat advisory again tomorrow. Scattered rainfall mainly during the afternoon hours. Some isolated rain in the morning. And then we get to 40% chance for rain Wednesday and Thursday, so that's down a little. One little jump in rain chances Friday, back up to 50% before that Saharan dust moves in. Temperatures mid to upper 90s potentially over the weekend with a 30% chance for rain. That's a look at your forecast.